Being charged with DUI is a very confusing experience. What makes it so confusing is unlike, for example, you got charged with disorderly conduct because you had a loud party at your house. If you got charged with disorderly conduct, you go and deal with the court and only the court. However, whenever a DUI is charged, you also have to deal with the motor vehicles department. So you actually have two systems to deal with. Now understand that what happens at motor vehicles department can affect what happens in the court and vice versa. But for the most part, view motor vehicles and the court as completely separate and distinct systems. This is very confusing for most people. So what happens, for example, you get stopped, the officer will give you a ticket. Show up and appear in court on a certain date. The officer may also give you an admin per se implied consent affidavit. And what that does is it basically notifies MVD that if your blood alcohol was over a 0.08 within 2 hours, they need to suspend you for 90 days. Your MVD process will continue despite what happens in the court. And your court process will continue despite what happens in MVD. It's very confusing, and that's why the assistance of counsel can be very critical to obtain the best result in your case.